Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious creamy rice pudding recipe. And here are the prepared ingredients. I have here 2 cups of small rice, cup of white sugar, 390 grams of condensed milk, 2 cups of milk powder, a stick of cinnamon, some mastics, cinnamon powder, crushed pistachio nuts, cooking water, a liter of fresh milk, and an orange blossom water. Let's get started. In our cooking pot, let's put water. Put a little of water. Let's wash our rice. Add the washed rice and cinnamon stick. Add the powdered milk. Add the sugar. Let's stir it. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. Let's add our liter of fresh milk. Adjust into medium heat and cover. Stir it every 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir. Cover again. After 10 minutes of boiling and stirring, we add our condensed milk. You can adjust the sweetness as you like. Stir it. Let's add some mastic. This will give more stickiness to our rice. Shake it. Cover again for another 5 minutes. Let's check. The rice done and is floating from the surface. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of orange blossom water. Now let's taste. So delicious and creamy. So delicious. Now it's done. Let's turn off our cooking machine and our delicious creamy rice pudding is ready to serve. Let's take a scoop and put it in a serving plate. Let's put our prepared toppings, which is the crushed pistachio nuts and cinnamon powder. And our delicious creamy rice pudding is ready to serve.